and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today is a new day, a beautiful day, and it's 4 a.m. in the morning. I am off to flight. I am going to operate 3 flights and then I'm going to Chennai today, and it's going to be a long day, and I'm actually very happy because I'm flying after 20 or 25 days. Yeah, it was a long gap due to some reasons. I wasn't flying, but I am back, and I thought I'll record today's journey and I'll take you on the layover with me. So stay tuned for all the fun that I'm going to have today, and see you on board. So I've reached my hotel room and very tired. I'll be going and taking a shower now. I thought I'll show you how I remove my makeup. And you have to get rid of all these as well. I had an hectic day today. I am tired, as you can tell from my face. I just cleaned up, removed my makeup, I ordered some lunch, and it has been an hectic day. And I'm doing this layover, I think, after a month now. It's been a long while since I've done a flight, so it was pretty hectic for me today. We did 3 flights. We did Bangalore, then from Mangalore to Bangalore back, and then from Bangalore to Chennai. Short flights, but little bit hectic, and I woke up at 3 in the morning, so that explains my fatigue, why I am fatigued. And so what I've planned is I want to go out with my crew member. I am planning to visit a beach first. There's a beach nearby here. It's like 15-20 minutes away, and then I'm planning to go to a cafeteria from there on. I have heard from a friend of mine that that cafe is very beautiful, so I wanted to check it out. And yeah, not much to do, but I hope wherever I go, I'll tell you about what I liked, what I'll be eating. I'll be taking you along with me, so stay tuned. And while you're watching the video, please press the like button. I really need your support. Comment below if you're liking my videos and if you're liking the content I'm posting. You can also share your feedbacks. I am open to feedbacks, as well as you can let me know what do you want to see next, what kind of video do you want to see next. And it just takes a second, so please press the like button and do watch the video till the end, and stay tuned. Love you all. Hello everyone, and I am just giving you a quick update. मैं बहुत लेट हो गई because मैं सो गई थी और मुझे पता ही नहीं लगा.
I love this Columbus and all this.
Yeah.
Did you go to Wonderla? Did you
Which
go to
one?
Wonderla?
Bangalore?
Be careful your hair.
Bangalore?
Yeah, Bangalore.
No, I've not went there, yaar, as of now.
Go.
No, I moved here
Why?
very late after COVID. Hi! So let's reach to the beach, and it's pretty good here. Although it's dark. और ये इसलिए हुआ है because मैं सो गई थी जब मैं होटल में पहुंची. All thanks to me. And थोड़ा दूर था ये beach, like 15-20 minutes away from my hotel. So I'm here right now. The weather is pretty hot and the waves are pretty wild, as you can see. But really good to be here, and there's an entire market behind, so I'll show you around once we start walking there. We just wanted to come near water and spend some time here. I have my crew along with me. Hi! So I'll show you around. यहाँ पे सारे खाने पीने की stalls है. So there's that spring potato and there's this local vendor here. But the best part about this place, they're actually making. So if you're one of those people who love eating bhutta, say hi. And the weather is pretty bad, I think. I feel very hot and it's very humid, but it's okay. You gotta do what you gotta do, and you have to come out whenever you get the chance. So next up on our list is this place right here. We're going to eat their special spring potato. Okay, मुझे ये कहना नहीं चाहिए because मैं भी यहाँ पर हूँ, but look at the beach. It's all packed up. Oh my god, मतलब COVID कहाँ गया? Where is COVID? And it's like all packed. The last time I came here, it was pretty vacant and nobody was here. But now it's full. I mean, it's like the entire India is here to vacate. Too. So, okay, no problem. I'm not the one to judge because obviously I'm one of them. So they're making this. I'll show you how they make it. tastes fab. So once they prepare it for us, I'll show you. Yeah! Finally! We got this! Look at how it's recording. How are you? Done for the day. We're going back with final ice cream, and it was actually very fun today. Did you like it today?
Yeah.
It was fun, right?
Yeah. Actually, when we
was
did
really
the cafe tour,
Yeah, we actually couldn't make it to the cafe because it's late now, and the cafe is very far from the place we are right now.
I'm happy I got this.
Yeah, she got this.
I can play with this.
Yeah, she actually plans to.
Yeah, you can see light. Beautiful.
We can play it on board, you know. We can always play it on board. So, अगर कल cabin crew ऐसे करते हुए दिखाई दे तो don't be in shock. Yeah. So heading back, I got cut off. So I was saying we are heading back to the hotel now, and we couldn't make it to the cafe because it was far. But no problem. There's always a next time. Whenever next I'm coming to Chennai, I'll go there. But for today, this was it. So you remember this place? I clicked my picture last time I was here, and if you want to see that picture, follow me on Instagram. I'll link my Instagram ID here. I'll mention in the description box, and stay tuned for more stories and see what's happening. She's actually watching my video. Do you like it?
Yes, of course.
Yay! She's so cute. Thank you so much. Also, I just reached and I opened YouTube and I saw that my Kolkata layover vlog reached 1K views. Thank you so much, everyone whosoever's watched, taken out some time. Really means a lot to me. And I'll be linking all the videos which I've made in the past in my description box today. And I just hope that I just hope that you all take out some time to watch it if you haven't already. And it was a really good day, and with one of the nicest crew I've flown with, and great time I had today. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, please stay tuned for more, because I'm going to be posting very frequently from now on. And I really like that you're showing your support. Thank you so much for that. It means a lot.